Hey guys, I want to show you a little Canva QR code trick that's super easy so that if you're printing out an enrollment kit or you are saving one as a PDF to send to people, you'll have this really simple option. So let me share my screen with you. And I'm just going to first pull up the link generator that you're all probably familiar with. So I'm going to show you by using the new Aroma Essentials collection. So I'm going to put add to bag. We're in our resources section. We're generating our link and we're going to generate the link here. I always keep these in the notes section of my iPhone and on my computer. I'll convert it to shorten just for fun. Copy the URL. Now watch this. I'm going to go up to Canva where I've got the kit sheet ready to go in here. And I've already done it for 2 of the kits, but every time we get a new kit sheet, I like to do this in case I need a handout. And we're not really in person, but if you're sending out sample sheets, or sample kits, you can include a kit sheet in there if you want. So all you're going to do is you're going to go down to more and hit create QR code. Then you put your code in here and hit generate code. It pops up your QR. I make it smaller and I put it into the section where the SKU is. You can put it somewhere else if you want. I also like to include my regular enrollment link so that if this is a PDF, it will be a live link. And if it's not a PDF and it's just a piece of paper, they can go there. So let me go back and just show you one more time. I'm going to go change kit here. Going to select the Healthy Habits kit, add to bag, generate link, copy the code. You could shorten it first if you want. Now I'm popping over to Canva and I'm going to, originally you go to more and you find QR code here. I can just type in new one. You should check if your links work. I know that mine work because I just did them, but you can go back and check if they work. Okay, so that way they could scan it. And then I'll do one more for the Healthy Essentials. So I hope that little tip is helpful for you. You can put QR codes on anything if you have a web link, but I use this kit sheet to send out with my samples. So I'm sending my 2 samples. I usually send a class kit sheet as well. I say, call me when you get this. I'll give you the instructions so that I know I can give you specific instructions for you. And then this is one of the documents I have in there. Okay, so I hope that's helpful.